Good morning, everybody. My name is James Cagle. Today we're going to be creating a video. We're going to configure a router as a DHCP server. Okay, we're using the Packet Tracer software provided us by the Cisco Net Academy. This Packet Tracer is 5.3.7.2. Matter of fact. So basically, in this activity, you will continue to. We're going to still configuring this router. It's kind of an ongoing process. We're doing just a little bit more every time. This time we're hooking up the DHCP. So let's get to it. All right. So let's go ahead and open up the customer PC workstation. Let's open up the terminal. All right. Aha. So why didn't that work? We get nothing in here. The reason why it didn't work is because I went too fast. Okay. What I forgot to do was this. Alright. Hook up a console table. Console cable from there to there. Now, we go like this. Look at that. Whoa, it's like magic. I love it. Okay. So we are now inside of the router. Okay. So we need to enter the privilege exec mode. Enable. Okay. Then we're going to go to the configuration terminal. Conf-T. All right. Now we're going to exclude some IP addresses. Okay. Now, why would you want to exclude some IP addresses? All right. Well, the reason why is that in networking, there is always going to be a need for static routes, which means that if I'm in this office, I know that I need to use a printer, and I know that the printer down the hallway is, say, 192.168.1.5. Okay, and that's how we have it set up in the computer for that one. If we were to set that up dynamically, with using a DHC pool, the dynamic host, then every time that thing shut off, it would receive a new uh, IP address, and you would never get any copying done because your computer doesn't know where it is. When you push print, you're like saying, hey, you're telling the computer where to go, and it's already been programmed in there. That's why you exclude certain IP routes, IP addresses. Okay? So, let's go ahead and go like this. We're in the config mode. We're going to go IP, DHCP. Okay? We're going to exclude okay. Whoops. Sorry about that. I accidentally hit the space bar. You definitely want to be spelling things right. So basically, this line right here is you're telling the DHCP and the router to do not hand out these addresses, 1 through 49. Okay? That's all you're doing right there. Alright. We're going to go IP, DHCP pool, pool, pool 1. Okay, we're going to go network. And we're basically telling it, you know, where it is. Okay. So now that we got that, we need to set up the default gateway. Okay, so we're going to tell it what the default router is. Okay, the default router. Whoops, what I forgot to do is put this little jobber in there. Default router is 192.168.1.1. Okay. And you don't have to put a subnet in for that. Alright. Okay, so we're going to go here, then we're going to exit. Alright. So, now that we got that, we're not going to close this out, right? What we're going to do is we're going to go into the physical. Alright, we're going to go to desktop. Maybe we do have to close out. We're going into the command prompt. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to do an ipconfig. Okay. Release. Alright. So basically we're releasing the current one that we got. Alright, now we're going to renew it. Alright, that's working. Alright, so remember we excluded the IP addresses 192.168.1.1 through 192.168.1.49. So the first available address that it could have given us was .50, and it did. So we are kicking butt. I like this. Alright, so now we're going to ping the router. Okay. There we go. We are kicking butt, man. Check results. Oh, what did we do? Okay, DNS server IP, okay. Okay, so let's get back in here. Back into the terminal. Alright. Now we need to get back into here. Okay. Now, whoops. You know, okay, so we're back into the DHCP config. Alright. We didn't configure the DNS router, the DNS server. Okay. So let's go DNS server. There we go. What we forgot to do is we forgot to do the DNS server. But it goes to show you, you don't even have to do it all like in a row, man. These Cisco routers are so neat. You can kind of jump around a little bit, not a whole bunch, you know. But we completed it. and I'm pretty happy with that. Alrighty. Again, my name is James Cagle. Today we were configuring a router as a DHCP server. You guys have a terrific day. Thank you much for watching.